Do you want to talk with your Korean friends? How about trying to learn some Korean? This is a textbook used by King Sejong Institute. The King Sejong Institute is the leading institute for Korean language and culture education. This is Sejong Korean Conversation. Sejong Korean Conversation comes in 2 volumes. This textbook will help you learn Korean speaking and listening comprehension skills. The book is about the size of A4 paper. As you can see, it is really colorful. Every page has photos and drawings to make your learning experience easier and more pleasant. Let's take a look at the table of contents. This textbook is composed of 14 chapters. With this textbook, you can learn expressions that are commonly used by Koreans, such as, I work at a company, or what's your phone number? Now, let's look at the first chapter. I am Jun Lee. In this chapter, you will learn how to introduce yourself in Korean. You will also learn Korean words that you can use to introduce countries such as Korea, China, and France, and the grammatical structure of iyeyu yeyu. There are exercise questions too. Then, you can listen to the expressions you learned and read them aloud. This will help you learn expressions that Koreans use in daily life. Sejong Korean Conversation is an official textbook of the King Sejong Institute, which has 172 branches in 56 countries. You can view a free ebook and follow an online program on the Korean language educational website Nuri Sejong Hakdang. You can also download free audio files for listening practice. A variety of free materials is available for download on the website. Learn Korean with Sejong Korean Conversation now. You will be able to make even more Korean friends.